In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images quickly to multiple products in Shopify. If you're managing an online store, you know it can be quite a hassle to click through each product individually just to add images or other media. This painstaking process can consume a lot of time, especially if you have a large inventory. Thankfully, Shopify has a handy feature that can streamline this task, the bulk editor. This tool is designed to make it much easier to perform batch updates across your product listings, including the addition of images. First, let's begin by navigating to the Shopify admin interface. On the left panel, you'll find a menu with several options. Click on Products. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all the products you currently offer in your store. Here, you'll see each product laid out in a list format. Now, here's where we'll start speeding things up. Look to the left of each product and you'll notice checkboxes. These are your new best friends. Go ahead and check the boxes next to the products to which you want to add images. You can select as many as you need. This is the beauty of bulk editing. Once you've selected your desired products, look at the top of the screen and click on the button labeled Bulk Edit. This action will whisk you away to a familiar spreadsheet-like table view. In this table view, each column represents a different product attribute, and each row pertains to the product you've selected. It's a simple and intuitive way to manage your products. However, the key here is the media column, where you'll be adding your images. If, for some reason, this column isn't visible, don't worry, there's a quick fix. Navigate to the top right of the spreadsheet view, where you'll see an option called Columns. By clicking on this, you'll be presented with a menu of all possible fields you can view and edit. Ensure you enable the media column so it appears in your table layout. Once it's visible, you can start uploading your images. Simply click on the empty cells under the media column for each product. You're able to quickly upload files directly here, allowing you to add pictures, videos, or any other media to multiple products in one go. This method is significantly faster than the traditional way of adding media individually for each product. And there you have it. By using the bulk editor, you can dramatically reduce the time it takes to update your product listings in Shopify with new images. This approach not only saves you time, but also increases your efficiency, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you streamline your product management process.